Planning is a really important part of story writing. Every story needs a beginning, a middle, and an end, and each one needs to be just as exciting as the others. If you just start writing without making a plan, you could end up with a big, confusing jumble of words.
So how do you plan it out? Well, every story starts as a spark in your imagination. Maybe you already have an idea, something you've seen or heard, or maybe you need to go and have a look at the things around you to light up that spark of inspiration. The more you plan, the more that spark grows.
So, let's put our thinking caps on and go hunting for sparks.
She, be dim dim do de da do.